วยเลย
Why? Why? Why, dude? Why? 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 What? I can't hear you, bro. Hey! What, dude? Come talk to me. Come talk to me, dude. What? 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 What is your fucking problem? What is your fucking problem? Oh, I wish this motherfucker would say something. What? Oh, you got a gun. He got a gun. He got a gun. Look at him. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. Wow. Hey, look. Look, it's all on camera. Look. Look, it's all on camera, dude. You that scared of me? Really? You're gonna start shooting and pull out a gun? Just tell me why you flipped me the bird. Just tell me. Look at him. Ooh, you're a tough badass. Oh, you're gonna point it at me? Hold on, I'm gonna get your plate number. I'm getting your plate number. I already got it, but I'll get it again just to make sure. BU92720. All right, got you, bro. Got you, homie. Goodness.
What?
That guy just crashed. Just give me a second. I've got to give that lady that got hit my phone number because I just recorded the accident. Just gotta find something to write it down on.
Tá que pariu, velho. تم القبض.
A few moments later.
The police were full.
Hey, kom ons begin eers gou. Ek sien jy daar op die pad. Jy het 'n lig, jy het nie 'n lig nie. Lisensie so lank. Jy het nie 'n nommerplaat nie. Jy het ook nie 'n nommerplaat.
Hopelijk draai je niet om.
Ons is anyway so naby aan die bos.
Wil je maar gaan rijden?
Nee.
Getting these guys off the road too, it's crazy. Get past us, we're stopping up here and get on your way, man.
Yeah, I'm really trying.
We'll get out of your way.
I tried to pass
We'll be out of your way in just a minute. Klamath, we're gonna pull over and we'll be out of your way, okay?
Great.
Okay, go.